Hi guys, here's again a short tip about hard surface modeling with Blender and the question if NGons are always evil and should be avoided in any case. So let's create a mesh that contains NGons. I duplicate this cube, move it a bit upwards and to the right, then switch to wireframe and edit mode. Select this edge and add a bevel by pressing Ctrl B. Then I go back to object mode, select this object first, then the other one, and after that I press Ctrl Shift and B to bring up the menu of the Bool tool add-on to subtract the first object by choosing difference. Okay, now we have this nice and simple mesh with two NGons, one on the right and one on the left side. I want to have a smooth shading for this, but when I enable this, it looks horrible. But Blender offers a nice feature here on the Data tab that is called Autosmooth, and now I can define the maximum angle between face normals that will be considered as smooth, so I turn this up to 60, which works well for most meshes. And this is a great effect, but I also want the outer edges to be beveled and crisp. So let me show you a way to do this. I open the select menu and choose sharp edges. Now these outer edges are selected and I increase the bevel weight and mean crease for them to 1. Then I press Ctrl E and mark these edges as sharp and as seam. Okay, and now I can simply add a bevel modifier to the object with the limit method weight, 3 or 4 segments, and then I adjust the width of the bevel. And the result looks pretty nice and crisp, although we have these NGons. So what I want to point out here is not that you should go for NGons when doing hard surface modeling with Blender, but that you don't need to avoid them in any case. If you have a static mesh like I have here that won't be deformed and that is rendered nicely, there's no need to remove these NGons in my opinion. Even if you use it in game engines, because the game engine will convert the NGons to triangles anyway. But I know this is a hot topic, so the discussion is opened. Please add your opinions and feedback to the comments. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to not miss the next one. Thanks for watching, thanks for your support, and I hope you come back soon to JNM.